Feet. Oh, yeah.
Be big.
Whole game. Let's go, 10.
Good wall, man.
Hey, good job, Cole.
More aggressive now.
Drop the clock down, buddy. Have to.
More aggressive.
Hey, get yours here.
Don't try to go down in the way. Stay aggressive.
Go, Ryan. There we go.
Hey, anything close now?
All right, last one here, kid. Let's go.
Doing great, Dak.
Hey, good job.
Way to get it in, guys.
Now batting, Charlie Price.
I gotta move. I gotta move. I gotta move. Give me some room. Give me some room. Give me the juice. How about the coupe? How about the coupe?
Oh, right.
Stay back. Stay at home.
Hey, let's go, Charlie.
Charlie. Got the clock.
Your knee, boy. Your
Go ahead first, kid.
Somebody think about it, Fly.
Go, Bob. Get in there.
I could see Cole when he was saying that he wanted to do something.
He wanted to go down, Coach was saying.
Foul on the ball.
What?
You can't see the one.
Something.
You gotta get right out of the corner. No.
Hey, bro. You need a little more twist.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go, Bob.
Hey, good job, Charlie.
3-1.
He was pretty decent at it about a year, 2 years ago.
You got this, Ken. Find it. You got it. You got it, Dak. Great, buddy.
Pocket up there. No.
He played indoor.
He's playing in the gym. Basketball still.
Hey, good eye, good eye.
Now batting, Isaac Sanford.
Get down.
All right, Isaac, you see that. Get up on it.
Get up.
Hey, hey. Everybody keep your gloves on. All right, I don't know if you're 30. 25. No, I'm sorry, 26. 26.
Keep your gloves on. Way over here. Get dirty Friday.
I keep him on because it hurts.
Go ahead, go. Baseball. Go ahead and drive, kid. Char, no out. Be smart. No out. You got to be Bobby Smart.
Oh, there you go.
Great job, hey. Way to track him, Dave. Come on.
Now batting, Aziz Abdallah.
Hey, get back.
Now batting Silas Slayton.
G-O-double-R, I say, yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop. Fresh paint job, fresh inside. Is the outside rain?
Sorry, parents. Body. Size be big. Disease, one out.
Hey, you got it, Silas.
Go, Silas, go, kid. Hey, kid, pinch, kid, 2 strike count. It's your time.
One ball, two.
Hey, still 2 strikes. Still swing.
Look at this bigger lead, okay? You want to have God back.
Now let's go here, Silas.
Behind that.
Come on, Dax, you can do it.
All that gear on to a ring. Big rounder.
Come on, guys, hang in there, guys.
It's your time, son. Let's go, kid. Hey, wait a minute, son.
Take a breath.
Now batting Noah Holyfield.
Up. Hey, be big. All right, give me 2 here. Go, Noah.
Coming, you got it. Back. No. Dax. Body spot, kid. You got this. Let's go. Free ball.
Hey, Noah, green light. If it's there, has to be there, boo. It's not there, it's not there.
Do your pitch, kid.
You got this, Dax.
One outside.
Now batting Harrison Kaiser.
I got that momentum, got going never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get beat with the I got that momentum.
Hey, let's go here, Harrison.
Come on, Harry. Come on, Dax. You got it, Dax.
Yeah, let's go, Dax.
Come on, Dax.
Look. Gotta be off, buddy. That's it. Way to pitch. Everybody ready, defense? Everybody ready?
Behind.
No runner, no runner. There you go, buddy.
Good job.
Body language, Dax. Body language.
Figure out words.
You're good.
Thank
Dax, it's a new batter, buddy. New batter, new ball. You got it.
Dax.
New pitches. Start over. New batter. Drop back.
Hey, good job, good job, good job.
Dax, body language, bud. It's okay. Shake it off.
Breathe, Dax. You good,
Take a
buddy?
breath.
You good, Dax?
Now batting, Logan Dunkerley.
No masterpiece. 10 bad babs and they after me. One bad bag look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dunk like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Big drip. Ice chain, peeled water. Ice. You got the cab, but can't afford them. Cash. You got
Send
the
it
bag,
over,
but can't
Logan. Hit the playground.
Good job, Dax.
That boy, Dax. Take it off, buddy. Take it off, Dax. Don't get up, man. Tough conditions, buddy.
Another one, look. Thank you, so bright. Thank you.
Lord, everything's falling out of our pockets.
The bathroom maybe? I don't know.
Like, two more. Go ahead and return you. Position, please.
How's this doing for work?
Hey, man. Yeah, but I'll you make it happen faster, I'll split it 50.
What's his last name? Leg Bowl. He's not on the roster. He's subbing for another guy named Amari. What's Amari's last name?
So he's coming out, I think.
McGee's never here. Never here.
Oh, it's the Rusty that went on. Okay.
Yeah, they're both on the roll.
Now let's go, Logan.
Thanks.
Here we go.
Maybe Wick.
Right there, on that.
That's very good right there. You ready, Chris?
Ball inside.
All right,
Don, let it go, buddy.
Hey, base hit's all we need. Just base hit.
That's it.
Hey, you're okay.
We'll go, Logan. Head on it, buddy. You're doing good.
Short to it. Easy contact.
There you go.
Oh, that worked. Good.
There you go, Logan.
Hey, good job, Logan.
Now batting, Alex Holler.
You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road trucker, I look like a villain.
Hang in there, Alex.
Now batting, Bray Holiday.
Everybody trying to be like me, trying to take my juice, trying to take my stick.
Here, use this. Back low in your back.
Hey, good inning, boys.
Hey, that was stroke, dude. Nothing to do with that.
Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. I'll sing up in a smoky room. I smell wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people, living just to find a moonshine, hiding somewhere in the night.
All right, 1-6.
Hey, are you okay?
Step out, take him here. Take him
Where
here.
did they take you, Isaac?
Why be tough to find?
There you go.
Here. Oh, I don't know.
She pulled the pin down.
Take it with you. Here we go.
You got the camper ripping, buddy. You got it. I believe in you.
Come on, Jacob. Good. Hey, Jacob.
The song is missing. The song is missing.
Hey, good job.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
Got the ball on the line.
It's time to go home.
Good luck. Close your eyes and guess. Right, zero. Drive one.
Have you ready, boys? Hey, good job, Ray.
What was that? Where'd that come from? Oh my God.
Look at all that right there.
Get it.
Coming on your neck.
Get it.
Comes off feet. Comes curveball.
Get it.
You act like it's a mouse or something. I can't even stand up.
You better knock it that way. Don't get on your sister. Hey, get me a bra. You got it.
Got it, Max.
I'm not going through a snowball. Why did you get so dry?
Let's go, buddy. You got it.
Hey, good job.
I got my head out this song. I'm blasting your favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
We ate Cracker Barrel. I ate 4 biscuits and gravy, 3 eggs, 4 pieces of sausage. That's before we got here. Pretty big.
Good. Hey, give me a break.
Big yellow package.
It's gonna go around.
It is for the most part.
Got him.
Honey, you ain't have
Give me a clean one. Good.
Right! 1-1. All right, go ahead, guys.
Hey, good job, boys.
Where's my umbrella? I need it.
No, I don't think it's even raining. It's right there, though.
Let's get some energy, Bucks. Get some energy, Bucks.
We don't know what's going on. Huh? I'm nosy. Yeah, I'm not going to. I got it.
Siempre que estés en el dogado, ponte el suelo. Solo póntelo encima.
It's hard to get off the darn phone.
Take it up.
Oh, Daddy's gonna get you because it's gonna hit that freaking.
Oh,
it's
no.
gonna get you.
Now batting, Cole Vandiver.
We pop out at your party, I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery, so tuck your chain. I'm a killer, girl, I'm sorry, but I can't change. We ain't aiming for your body, shots hit your brain. We come from poverty.
Good night, Cole.
Yeah.
How to make it whip?
He thinks.
Ball.
I'm not really sure
2-1.
what's going on.
Hey, Mama, why are you on my shit?
I did not.
Out.
Heads up.
Let's go here, Cole.
Wait, was that that? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna say, let's go here, kid.
Going at you.
Hey, good.
Now batting, Ryan Pierce.
No whipping gimmick should prosper, but it's welcome to form. New from the day I was born, I perform in the form. Ringing bells and blowing horn with my name called. I'm just a self-made and a rave dog. I just work ball in the rave, brawl in the way, and I wanna, I'ma take my shot.
Oh, buddy. He's started.
You ready? You go ahead. Get ready.
Here, Robert.
There we go.
Hey, find yours.
Ball.
Owen.
Jump up.
Nope.
Hey.
Oh, we gotta get the split.
Hey, you get one.
Right, 6 hit, guys. Cole, we got no outs. Watch the line drive, please.
Good eye.
Oh, you should have got it.
Girl, on the ground. He ain't golfing.
Them not winning.
I know. Hey, find yours.
Same thing.
That was a big rock.
2-4.
Stop.
Expect it. Hey, aggressive.
We might need new socks for everybody. Two pairs too.
Let's go, Wick. Hey, get ready. Everybody ready. Hey, straight side ready, Jack. The right side either.
It's just long. Long and wide end.
Run it. Hey, good. You know. I'm coming, Charlie. I'm coming. Charlie, don't go to the ball.
Hey.
Now batting, Charlie Price.
Y'all gotta move. Y'all gotta move. Y'all gotta move. Give me some room.
Be smart.
More, Ryan.
Back!
Too close.
Look at that. All right, let's get ready, Chuck.
Oh, Lord. Come on, Charlie. Let's go, Char.
Got it.
We got Wick.
We ain't good. Me and Lindsay did.
Two balls, one strike. Hey, little adjustment. Wick, you're right there. Come on.
Call it! Go get it back!
Now batting, Isaac Sanford.
In my Air Force One.
That's a nice one.
Coach is taking everybody home tonight.
Shit, we need to call an Uber.
Gotta run, dig him out.
Now batting, Aziz Abdallah.
Vamos, papi, tráete esa carrera. ¡Vamos, corre, corre! ¡Corre!
Oh man.
I'm broke. I'm gonna get that thing. They sell 15 by 15 wood things. 15 by 15 foot. I'm gonna go to the house. This is 15 by 15.
Thomas.
Safety. Fuck. Water. And dirt. Sheesh.
Hey man, you look phenomenal.
Logo.
You up there, Wood? Don't slip.
I ain't putting nothing up in it.
Go, Thomas. Ball, stop. 2-1.
Hey, good break.
One more, baby. Let's go, 3-1. Just take one. Hey, I see y'all hustling.
Hey, give me a break.
Hustling in that mud. Isaac squeeze on this one.
Let's go, Thomas. Turn it out.
I don't know. Hey, be ready. Expect it.
It's seen a clean spot. Bye, buddy. How did you get that buddy anyway?
Shoot up, Isaac.
Yeah, just let's clean that out.
You go, Thomas.
No, I want to see you scrubbing. That'll come straight out.
I'm sorry, my bad. My bad.
Scoot up a little bit, Isaac.
Because he thinks that kid can't see.
He thinks his partner.
Sneak attack.
He's not even, he's like 2 foot off.
Let's go, Evan, right here, bud.
He's not
Come on,
even,
Evan.
like, far enough to even try.
Get there.
Hold.
Hey, scoot up a little bit, Isaac. You're too far back, bud. Scoot in.
Pick one out, Evan. Come on, bud. All right, if you like it, rip it. Let's go.
Let's look down there.
Good job, Evan.
Hey, you got a break?
Hey, settle down, bud.
Really? Go see. Oh no, let's go play it.
this field. Oh my God. Well, what the poo?
No, no. Yeah, them dudes in Open Break. Same place. They're playing that.
This field was worse though than that field. I'm not going to complain too much because I was cold.
I was ready to go. Evan got on the bat. I was like, all right, let's get out of here.
And Thomas got a hit.
Yeah, Thomas got a hit and Evan got a bat.
End on a high note.
Yep.